In this video, I'll show you how to delete WordPress pages individually and in bulk. And as an example, let's delete the sample page on my site. So for that, let's log in Shopify admin account. On the left side of the screen, hover on Pages and then click on All Pages. Right in this section, you see a list of pages available on the site. The page in question that we'd like to delete is this one, sample page. Let's hover on it and then click on Trash. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the sample page. And so you can notice the sample page now shows 404 error and the link to it has been removed from the main menu. Keep in mind that the page is still recoverable. In order to delete it permanently, let's go back to all pages and then click on trash. Now let's hover on the page title and then click on delete permanently. And that's it, the page has been fully deleted from the website. Alternatively, to delete multiple pages at the same time, let's go back to all pages. And as an example, let's delete 3 pages: About Us, Privacy Policy, and Refunds Policy. Let's select 3 of them. Now click on Bulk Actions, click on Move to Trash, and Apply. And as usual, to delete them permanently, let's click on Trash. Once again, let's select them. Click on Bulk Actions, Delete Permanently, and Apply. And that's how you delete multiple pages at the same time in WordPress. So as usual, I hope you found this tip helpful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.